Hi, it's Mark from Briar and my daughter Sylvie. We're going to try going on a MicroHike today, and that's where we look in a very small space for every living thing that we can find.
And our space is this tire right here. You'll see in a moment. Right there, that tire.
Sylvie, what did we find in the middle there?
We found worm casting.
What is worm castings?
It's like worm poop.
Yeah. Should we count that? It's a sign of an animal.
Okay, we could count that.
So this is Sylvie's list.
Also, another fun thing to do is you can write this down, write what you found down, and then at the end you can count the things up that you found. If you have someone you're doing it with, you can count them up together. If not, just count them up and see what you found.